If you notice up here in the top of all the screens, there's a search box. And what this is meant to do is search all of these if you don't want to click in while you're learning just to kind of get the layout or you know what you want to do. If you come up here and you want to do a regen, REGEN, it removes everything out of it. So when you click on maintenance, then here's your regen. Once you back out, it resets that. So now if you're looking for injector, INJ, once you click on it, it's just set to whatever you're looking for. And that's the reason for the search box up here, and that's on every single screen.